Understanding mature skin. As we age, our skin undergoes several changes, including a decrease in collagen and elastin production. This results in a loss of firmness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Understanding these changes helps you choose the right waxing and skincare treatments. The importance of hydration. Hydrated skin is crucial for keeping mature skin soft, smooth, and plump. Drinking plenty of water and using a moisturizing routine helps maintain a youthful appearance, making waxing easier and more effective. Gentle waxing techniques. Mature skin is thinner and more delicate, so it's important to use gentle waxing techniques. Avoid harsh waxes and opt for softer, cream-based formulas that are less likely to irritate. Pre-wax exfoliation. Exfoliating before waxing removes dead skin cells, preventing ingrown hairs and ensuring smooth results. Use a mild exfoliator that won't strip your skin of essential oils, which are crucial for aging skin. The right waxing temperature. Wax that's too hot can damage mature skin, causing burns or irritation. Always test the temperature of the wax before applying it to avoid discomfort and ensure optimal results. Post-waxing skincare. After waxing, it's vital to nourish your skin with soothing products like aloe vera gel or calming oils. This will help reduce redness, irritation, and keep the skin soft. Regular facial waxing for a youthful glow. Regular waxing of facial hair can help promote the natural radiance of your skin. It also removes fine vellus hair, which can make your complexion appear dull and uneven. Waxing eyebrows for a lifted look. Well-shaped eyebrows can create an instant youthful appearance. For mature skin, waxing offers a precise and long-lasting way to shape the brows, giving your face a lifted, youthful look. Embrace antioxidants in skincare. As we age, free radicals damage our skin. Using skincare products with antioxidants like vitamin C and E helps protect against these damaging effects, promoting healthier skin. Incorporating retinoids in your skincare routine. Retinoids are essential for stimulating collagen production and reducing fine lines. Introduce retinol or prescription-strength retinoids gradually to avoid irritation, especially after waxing. Using SPF daily sun exposure accelerates aging, causing wrinkles and age spots. Daily SPF is a must, even on cloudy days, to protect your skin and maintain its youthful glow. Waxing for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, choose waxing products specifically designed for this skin type. Look for formulas enriched with calming ingredients like chamomile or aloe to minimize irritation. 13. Maintaining skin elasticity with peptides. Peptides are vital in skincare for maintaining skin elasticity. Look for serums or moisturizers that contain peptides to support collagen and elastin production for firmer skin. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.